What's up guys, it's Jasmine with Parris RV. Today we have the all new 2025 2816 ATC. Let's go through it. Can your truck pull this? Let's find out. It's 34 feet long, 7,400 pounds dry, 13.2 loaded. The cool thing with the ATCs, they have a huge cargo carrying capacity. There's no exemption with this one. Water! This is the perfect unit for dry camping. It has a 100-gallon freshwater tank on a bumper pole, 45 gray, 45 black. It's gonna keep you camping for a lot longer. Let's start from the front and we'll move to the back. We've got a power tongue jack, 6,000 watt Yamaha MPS generator underneath this handy cover. Keeps your generator out of the weather. We've got two accesses to the compartment here, one on the other side. One thing with ATC, they have multiple power packages. Normally we order ours with either a 1,000 package or a 2,000 package, meaning that it comes with a 1,000 watt inverter or a 2,000 watt inverter. If you want to get super ham about it, you can order a 3,000 watt inverter. Guys, I need to point out how beefy this frame is. ATC's quality, unmatched, I promise you. Let's talk about the fuel station. As you can see, this is a commercial grade fuel pump. They're not doing any RV related fuel pump. They want these things to last. We've got a full power awning along the side of the trailer here. It does come with the MORryde fold-up steps. For axles, we have a 8-lug torsion axle. Those torsion axles are gonna ride down the road much smoother than your standard spring axle. So these guys are ready to go on any adventure. Moving around to the back, we've got our assisted ramp door. It does have a backup camera prep down below, so you can actually view what you're backing into. If you look up top here, we have a awning for the back patio. When this lays back and you have your porch set up, you also have an awning. Built-in ladder to access the roof. Guess what the roof is made out of on this, guys? Aluminum. ATC, aluminum trailer company. Frameless windows give it a nice sleek look. They're also really low maintenance because all of the seals are closed behind the window. We have one fuel fill station. This supplies the fuel from the generator and also to the auxiliary pump. Here we have our 6-gallon hot water heater. It is gas or electric, 50 amp power cord. This does have 2 air conditioners. City water connection and your freshwater connection are here. Outside shower, and you have your black tank flush. Now that you guys are well versed on the outside, let's move to the inside. Now that we're on the inside, let's go over some of the 2025 changes. For this year, they did a linoleum flooring over top of the aluminum, so you still have the quality of the linoleum, but it just feels a little more homey. We have the nicer cabinetry in multiple different colors. This is in the white with the gold hardware. They also did a 2-tone cabinet option, so we've got the navy blue 2-tone cabinets on the bottom half. Here in the kitchen, we have a convection microwave, no oven in this one, 2-burner gas stove. They did a Furrion 12-volt refrigerator. I love when RV manufacturers use a 12-volt TV. This is a 12-volt smart TV, all ready to go. Runs off your battery, they work great. We're pretty familiar with the back of these. Normally they have just the singular couch with the Happy Jack bed up top. The nice thing with ATC is that this is all configurable. You can move the table, you can move the bench, you can add a bench. The track that goes around the wall makes it very easy to customize the layout of this trailer. ATC builds their own custom patio kit rails, so if you fold this down, it does have the cables, the pull-down screen, the patio rails to go around the edge of the patio, keep your dogs, keep your children contained, and it also has the rear ramp door steps so you can enter the unit from the ramp door. So on the wall here we have our max air vent controller, and we also have the Firefly system. Everything is controlled off of here. You've got all of your master switches, your gen, your tank monitors. They're all accessible in one area here on the panel. To the bathroom. I mean, we all know what a bathroom looks like, right? Per the usual ATC quality, they do come with aluminum cabinet doors. All of the cabinets are aluminum. Solid surface countertops. We've got our fiberglass surround in the shower. It's got this handy dandy little shower curtain rod that pushes it out away from you for extended motion. I will mention in here, now that we're in the water area, that these are composite wall panels throughout the entire trailer, so no rot can happen in this trailer. It is all aluminum or composite, not an ounce of wood. Another change for the 2025 year is the electric tilt bed. This is tilted all the way up. You can see it goes up super far, and look how much room it gives you to walk around the bedroom. This allows you to access all of the storage underneath as well. You're not crawling under the bed to get there, and gives you plenty of changing room. Lots of upper storage. We do have our cute little touch lights, reading lights at the top. USBs on both sides of the bed as well as 110 outlets. We've got our bedside drawers for whatever stuff you like to keep in there. I won't judge. And here is our access to all of our water systems. So you've got your water tank and all of the water lines, water pump. It's super easy to access here in the bedroom. If you're a hardcore TV watcher, you got one in the bedroom too. Also 12 volt. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed touring the new 2025 2816 and all the changes. Super excited to have these guys. Their product is phenomenal. We love ATC. If you want to check out more options, come see me at Parris RV.